All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously, okay? Today, I am sitting in a 2018 Ford F-150, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the windshield wipers, okay? As well as the windshield wiper fluid, okay? As you can see, I'm sitting behind the steering wheel in the vehicle. I'm gonna look through the steering wheel with it on, right? And you see this lever right here? This is for the windshield wipers, okay? If I turn it like this, it turns it on low like that. Turn it again, it goes a little faster. Keep on turning it until it gets to high, and we're at full blast right there. And turn it off, I'm just gonna go like that, all right? So now it's off, all right? Now that there is the windshield washer fluid to wash the windows selection, all right? I have my hand still on the lever, but there's actually a button on the side right here. There's not much of an indicator right here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it, and when I press it, the windshield wipers are washing the windshield, okay? With the windshield wiper fluid on it. Let me know if you have any questions.